everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do another OOTW video for you guys, and this time I also wanted to incorporate a little baby like what my week looks like. And although it is only fall, I am already freezing my butt off, but I still try to look cute while doing so let's get right into the video. So this is the outfit I wore on Monday. And I always feel super cool when I wear these pants. I thought it was a good way to start off the week feeling pretty powerful and cool. So I paired these suspender pants that I made a few years back with this cool turtleneck top with this cute little heart on it. I'm kind of obsessed with it right now. It's so cute. And I got this shirt secondhand from a friend recently and I've been wearing it a lot. It's super cute. And then the boots I'm wearing are actually knee-high boots, but I didn't have like any short booties, so I just kind of pretended that they were boots because I'm not actually going anywhere. I'm just putting on shoes to show you guys what I would wear if I actually had anywhere to go, but alas, I am stuck home most of the days, so yay! I also tied my hair up in this cute little white ribbon just to pull it back because I always feel more professional when I do that and more like a cool businesswoman. And I also put on a watch with it to add a little bit more to that style, and I paired it with these cute pearl earrings that I've been wearing a lot lately. I got them from Amazon and they're like these oversized pearls and they have this cute little gold closure. And then I paired it with an ear cuff that I made a few years back, and this one has a cute little crisscross pattern, and that was my whole Monday look. On Monday, obviously, that's when my whole homework schedule starts over again. So on Mondays, I try to tackle all my psychology homework. And luckily, it was a fairly light week, so I was able to finish most of my psych homework on Monday. And then I spent that evening watching some crappy reality TV show with my mom and my brothers, and working on a sweater that I'm currently knitting. Tuesday! So I woke up on Tuesday and it was very cloudy and it was definitely going to rain that day, which always makes me sad. So I try to dress very extra on those days because I'm just like, I look cute, so I have to be happy, you know, that's just how my brain functions. So I decided to kind of dress to the max that day, and I paired this white corset that I made in a recent video if you guys want to check it out with a plaid skirt that I made a few years back. And then I'm also wearing these black leggings that actually are fur-lined, and I've been wearing a lot this winter. They've kept me so warm. And then I also paired it with some heels and socks, and I chose some cream heels to match the cream of the sweater. And then I also paired it with the same earrings from yesterday's look, and I thought this was a pretty cool look. And although I am dressed very extra, I sadly didn't have anywhere to go, so I was back to my laptop working on my anthropology homework today, which was honestly a very tough week to get through. There was so much reading this week, but I got through it, and that evening it did start raining, which I knew was bound to happen, so I put on my pink fuzzy blanket and just kept working. That night, however, was a very fun night. I hung out with my cat for a little bit, and then I made pancakes with my brothers, which is like kind of a thing we've been doing a lot since summer, and they make the fluffiest, most delicious gluten-free pancakes. They taste like candy. They're so good. And then we watched Code Lyoko, which is the show we've been binging lately because it's like one of those childhood shows that I'm super obsessed with right now, so any Code Lyoko fans out there, ooh! Wednesday was the one place I actually had somewhere to be this day. I had to go and pick up a clay piece that I fired that week from my art class, and it was again a very cold day, so I wore my favorite pink corduroy pants that I got from Forever 21, I think last year, and they honestly got me through winter last year. They are my favorite pants ever. And then I paired it with these tan boots, and I love the shape of the boots underneath a wide leg pant. I think it's really, really cute. And then I was also wearing this fuzzy sweater, which kept me very warm and very cozy that day. And for earrings, I'm wearing these pearl hoop earrings that I got fairly recently and I've been obsessed with ever since. I think they're just like the coolest thing lately. And this was just a very cute and classic outfit and something very easy to work in from my last two very extreme days. That day, I spent some time with my chickens, Yoshi and Spectacles. I gave them some seeds, which always gets them super, super excited. And then I had some more anthropology homework that night, and the sunset was super beautiful that day too. On Thursday, I went with a pretty classic outfit of mine, which is pairing this white turtleneck that I was wearing earlier underneath a dress of mine. And so I chose this really cute, simple button-up dress to put over it because it's not a very heavy layer, but I think it adds a lot to the outfit. And it's just a really cute outfit you can just throw on, and it's still a very comfortable outfit. And then I paired it with these gray boots that I got recently, and they're like fur-lined because they keep my toes super warm because I have really bad toe circulation. I don't know why you need to know that, but now you do. And I put my hair in these cute little buns that always make me really happy. And then I wore the same hoop earrings again before, and then I was also wearing like my favorite necklace of all time, which is a pressed pansy little round necklace. And I got it from Amazon like a few years back, and it is just like the cutest accessory. I'm so obsessed with it. I really want more like pressed flower jewelry. I just think it's so cute and adorable. And that was the whole outfit for Thursday. That night I didn't do a whole lot. I worked on finishing this painted shirt that has been sitting on my kitchen counter for like a month, and that was pretty much it. On Friday, I decided to base my outfit around my all-time favorite clothing item, which is my overalls, and I paired them with this shirt, which is again secondhand from my friend. She recently gave me some of her old clothes, and it's honestly like I haven't bought clothes in so long. I was just so excited to like pair new things with my outfits. And I really like how fitted this shirt is, and it has the cute little like pattern on it, and I paired it with my good classic sneakers. These are just my Converse knockoffs from Target that I got years back, and they're just like so comfortable and so broken in, you know, that good classic pair you can always rely on. And then I put my hair in the same buns from yesterday because I was still feeling them. They're like so cute, and I always forget how much I love wearing those buns until one day I have sudden inspiration to use them again and just keep wearing them for like the next week and then completely forget again. Just for a little bit more interest, I decided to add this necklace to the outfit. And this is a Totoro one my brother got me a few years back that I still love. And then I wore these earrings that I got from Forever 21, and I really like this outfit. I thought it was really cool. And that night, I just worked on the same painting project because I was very determined to finish it this week. On Saturday, I decided to put on a more comfortable outfit, and I paired this hoodie that I painted with, again, those same corduroy pants. And this is a pretty basic outfit, but I still really like the shape of this sweatshirt because it used to be just like a straight one, and I decided to put a little cut in the hem and lace some elastic through it, and so I really like the shape it gives on high-waisted pants. And it's also warmer that way because it keeps like the body heat in, which I love. And then I was pairing these white sneakers that, again, I just got from Target as knockoffs a while ago with the whole outfit. And that is me twirling because I felt like it. And this scene is from Kiki's Delivery Service, in case you're curious. It's again Studio Ghibli because I'm obsessed. For jewelry, I added on just these really cute sparkly pink earrings with, again, another ear cuff like before. This pink actually perfectly matches like the color of the pink of the pants, which I love color coordination. And it's a pretty simple outfit, like I said, but it is just a good comfort outfit. That night, I had an art project to work on for my ceramics class. I was making a macrame flower pot hanger for my mixed media project, and it turned out pretty cute. I was really happy with how the macrame turned out, and I really liked how the painted design turned out too on it. And I got a good grade on it, so we'd love to see it. Sunday, finally the last day. This is an outfit I really love. I'm wearing this oversized like cropped cardigan I got from Forever 21 last year with those same pink pants because those are just my comfort pants. I'm sorry, I reuse them a lot. And I wore the same white shoes as before too. And then underneath I was just wearing a black tank top. And yeah, under most of my clothes I get so cold that I just wear like leggings underneath all my pants or like tank tops underneath all my shirts just to keep me warmer because I'm always freezing. And then for earrings, I'm wearing these cute ones that I made a while ago. And they have a cute little pink flower design, which I thought matched the pants pretty well. And then because I'm late to trends, I was just wearing those oversized pearl berets on either side of my head to pull back my hair. And this is another pretty simple outfit, but it's just a really cute and cozy outfit that I just really like to wear. So that is all of the outfits. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it and found some cool outfit inspiration. And if you want to see more of my videos, like I always say, I post more on Fridays. So look forward to that, and I hope to see you guys there next time. Bye!